I'm sitting here with Simon Litvin, one of those famous TRIZ Masters that worked with Altschuler himself. And I just wanted to ask you two questions. My first question was, how did you come to be infected with TRIZ?
It was really like an infection. I read a book, one of the first books of Mr. Altschuler. The name of the book was, the title was Invention Algorithm. I was a student by that time, and I fell in love with this book. But then when I started my career as an engineer, I was extremely unhappy, because by my character, I liked engineering, math, physics, all this kind of exact science. At the same time, these things were not very creative. And I was writing poems, science fiction. I looked for something more creative than just pure physics or math or engineering. And finally, I recall this book of Altschuler that combined these two things. Engineering, logic, algorithms, and creative approaches. For me, TRIZ, it's a unique combination of these logical tools and developed creativity. And this combination, I fell in love, and that's how I was infected.
Okay, good. The TRIZ methodology evolved into a really huge toolbox. So what is my second question? What would interested me also would be, what is the TRIZ tool that you like the most?
I cannot answer just with one tool. Actually, I have two favorite tools, because TRIZ consists of different parts, and the most important parts are problem identification and problem solving. You know that Einstein was saying that if I have 1 minute, I will spend 59 minutes to identify a problem and 1 minute to solve it. That's why I have two favorite tools. In problem identification, my favorite tool is main parameters of value discovery. The idea is instead of asking people on the market what you would like to have, what kind of features of products you would like to have, there are tools that allow you to interview the product. That's what we call it, voice of the product. And by doing that, you can get the exact parameters or features of the product that people will pay for in the market. That's a tool I like it a lot. And the problem-solving tool, obviously my favorite one is function-oriented search, because it's kind of paradigm shift of innovation. The normal idea is you have a problem, solve the problem, make an invention, patent, and then implement it. But it takes enormous amount of time. If you develop the idea from scratch, then you will spend your life trying to convince people that your idea will work. In many cases, it will not work. Function-oriented search, the main idea is, instead of inventing from scratch, find an existing solution, technology, component, material, and transfer this existing solution to your initial area and adapt this solution to your problems. In this case, you don't need to convince people that your idea will work. It already works. You need just to adapt, to solve a couple of adaptation problems. Done. Work.
Okay, Simon, thank you for this small glimpse of your life with TRIZ, and thank you a lot.